Hi, in today's video, you'll get the chance to practice answering questions about what you like to do in your free time. Before we start, let's learn some key phrases that will come in handy. Instead of overusing I like, here are some alternative phrases to impress friends, teachers, and examiners. You could say, I'm interested in, and then the noun or the gerund. For example, I'm interested in football. My favourite team is Sheffield United. Or you could be more specific and say, I'm interested in watching football. I don't like to play myself. In fact, I've never even kicked a ball. Another option is, I'm keen on, then the gerund or the noun. For example, I'm keen on swimming. I try to get to the swimming pool at least twice a week. Or, I'm keen on sport. I especially love swimming. An option which is a little more informal would be, I'm into, plus noun, gerund. For example, I'm really into books at the moment. I especially love reading thrillers. Or, these days I'm really into reading. I can't get enough of a good thriller. Last but not least, you could keep it simple with I enjoy, plus noun or gerund. You could say, for example, I enjoy going to the cinema. I try to go every Tuesday as it's half price on those days. Or, I have always enjoyed a trip to the cinema. I particularly love a good rom-com. It's also useful to explain why you enjoy your hobbies. For example, when talking about sport, you might say, I enjoy cycling because it keeps me fit. For artistic activities, you could say, I love going to pottery class as I enjoy tapping into my creative side. And when talking about meeting up with friends, you could say, I'm a bit of a social butterfly, so I tend to spend my free time with friends. Hello everyone, Anna here from englishlikeanative.co.uk. If you're learning English and this is your first time here, then please subscribe and click the bell icon. Now we're going to put this new language into practice. Let's start our conversation in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, it's so lovely to see you. How are you? That's great. I'm doing well, thanks. I've been enjoying some time off. I love having time to myself, but I have been getting a little bored over the holidays. What do you like to do in your free time? Okay. What about when you were younger? How did you spend your free time when you were a child? That sounds quite similar to my childhood. Do you think people have changed how they spend their free time? I definitely think people don't spend as much time outdoors, for example. That's interesting. I've been reading about other countries where they have implemented a 4-day working week. I'd love to have the extra time. What about you? Would you like to have more or less free time? Oh, I've actually got to go soon as I have a guitar lesson. I started guitar lessons last year as I thought it'd be good to start a new hobby. Have you started any new hobbies recently? Right. Well, although I'm already doing these guitar lessons, I think I'd actually like to start salsa classes next year too. What about you? Are there any hobbies that you'd like to pick up in the future? Oh, great. Well, I've got to head off now. What are you doing for the rest of the day? Well, enjoy. Lovely to catch up with you, and see you soon. Fantastic. Now, if you found that difficult, then perhaps spend some time writing down some answers to the question. Try to pad it out a bit more, which means to fill it out, add more information, and then come back and practice again. If you're not already subscribed, then please do click that subscribe button. And until next time, take care. Goodbye.